Union Minister of State for Excellent Affairs and Education Dr.RK.Ranjan ngasi Kendriya Vidyalaya No.1 Imphal Lamphelpat ki permanent building sanabagi urep uyung tamkhre. Thoromaduda wa ngangladuna Dr.RK.Ranjan hai ngasi urep uyung tamduna Sagadoriba building asi staff quarters sing yauna lupa crore hufutare lom changna sagadabane masi mathang chahi haibadi ingsok lising ani kunmari da loisinaba pandam thamle mai masing tambada Kendriya Vidyalaya yamna singthaningai oiba institute amane haukiba chahi mangarom asida army doctor engineer yauna administrator kaya Vidyalaya asidagi puthoktuna lakli haike
as early as 1964, still 59 years after, no permanent building was constructed here in this campus. I'm very shocked on this, and I persuaded the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan and family members to find out the reason, and again ultimately I approached to Central PWD, what are the reasons and why it is delayed. Then ultimately they also gear up and sanction approximately about 67 crores with the academic building section and 23 staff quarters, type 2 quarters 8 numbers and type 3 quarters 14 numbers and type 5 quarters